All right, here we go. So these are actually graphing linear equations when they give you the slope-intercept form is really easy. So before we get started, let's review what the slope-intercept form means. It's always written like this: y equals mx plus b. Some textbooks you'll see ax plus b. But anyways, m is what? Do you guys know? Yeah, it's the slope. Now, it's not the x. It's just the number in front of the x is the slope. Sometimes, like on the SAT, they'll write the problem like this: b plus mx. You got to be careful. Kids will go, oh, it's the first number. No, it's the number in front of the variable. Okay. So m is always the slope. What's b?
The y-intercept.
Y-intercept. What's another word for b, though? We say y-intercept. It's also the initial value. Yeah, it's the initial value or initial condition. But remember, this occurs when x equals 0. So it says the y-intercept b is equal to what?
1. Wait, no. Wait.
You're half right.
-1.
Yeah, you got to think of the whole number. So this is -1. So we're going to plot 0, comma, -1. So come over here. They already kind of did it for you, but just put a dot right here. That's the point we're plotting, okay? Then it says, what's the slope? What's the slope? Yeah, it's 2/3. It's the number in front of the x, so it's 2/3. Now, I heard somebody earlier blot out that that is the rise over run. So from that point, I'm going to go up 2, right, and over 3, and I'm going to plot a point here, okay? So I go up 2, because that's my rise, and over 3, and I put a point right there. From 0, comma, -1, count up 2 and go to the right 3. That's because we have a positive 2, so that means my rise is going to go in the positive y direction, which means up. This is a positive 3, so that means I'm going to go in the positive x direction because that's my run, and that means I go to the right. So the new point, what's this point right here? 3, comma 1. Right. So now we just draw a line through the points. So do you guys need rulers for this? Yeah, let me pass out some rulers. Does somebody want to pass out the rulers for me? Let me end the video though. And then also put little arrows here and little arrows here to let people know that that line goes on forever. Are there any questions? You got your hands up to pass out the rulers? Okay, cool.